Dear viewers, now we are going to start the second unit of class 9th in biology, that is tissues. अच्छा गोडनिक यूनिट्स मज वुच एस सेल क्या गई तो बे सेल हुंद स्ट्रक्चर क्युछ आसान बे डिफरेंट सेल ऑर्गेनल्स एंड देयर फंक्शंस तो वन वुचो एस दोयमिस यूनिट्स मज टिश्यूज क्या गई चूंकि एस वुच गोडनिक्स यूनिट्स मज सेल हसा गई सेल इज द स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ सेल्स छु आसान मुख्तलिफ शेपन हंस बे मुख्तलिफ साइजन हंस अच्छा ज्यादा पहमत छु आसान मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स दे आर मल्टी सेलुलर यानी हम बनियाम एक खुद ज्यादा सेलन हन सिर्फ प्रोटिस्टस सिंगल सेल्ड यूकैरियोटिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स इम डिफरेंट सेल्स तम मॉडिफाइड डिफरेंटली ताकि तम कर फंक्शन यानी तम कर परफॉर्म डिफरेंट फंक्शंस स्पेसिफिक फंक्शंस इथे पे इन एनिमल्स इंक्लूडिंग ह्यूमन बीइंग्स फॉर एग्जांपल अगर वो इंसान मज muscle cells तम specialized for contraction and relaxation to bring about movements. इथे पे nerve cells केम खतर for the conduction of neuro impulses. कुलिन मज कह cells like chlorenchyma cells तम adopted for photosynthesis, while अगर वो phloem for the transportation of food from leaves to other parts of the plants. Go using multicellular organism इमन मज cellular specialization. Which with this division of labor and increased efficiency cells मुख्तलिफ cells कर coordinate to perform specific functions. Go tissue has a group of cells coordinating to perform a specific function. यानी a group of cells coordinate करान ताकि करन खास काम स गई tissues. Which is niche on the basis of nature of cells and their origin. We have two types of tissues. The types of tissues yat simple tissue, big compound या complex tissue. Yim simple tissues yim cells tim similar in form, structure and origin. Hishe shakle mazdi, structures mazdi, be origins mazdi. Examples agar wucho kulin man parenchyma cells हिशे तम कर फॉर्म सिंपल टिश्यू इथे पे एनिमल्स मज एपिथेलियल टिश्यूज ब्या टाइप ऑफ टिश्यूज गई सेकंड टाइप दैट इज कॉल्ड कंपाउंड और कम्प्लेक्स टिश्यू इम सेल्स द सेल्स ऑफ दीज टिश्यूज कम्प्लेक्स और कंपाउंड टिश्यूज दे आर डिफरेंट इन स्ट्रक्चर एंड ऑरिजिन एम्ब्रियोनिक ऑरिजिन मगर हम कर परफॉर्म स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन फॉर एग्जांपल अगर निमोन कुलिन मज फ्लोएम तो जाइलम इथे पे nervous tissue of animals. These are compound or complex tissues. इम पत वुचो कि डिफरेंस क्या between a plant tissue and an animal tissue. गोडनेथ वुचो यम त plant tissues ज्यादा पहमत most of them are dead, while yim animal tissues they are living. Plant tissues generally supportive in function, non-contractile, and they need less energy, while the animal tissues are generally contractile or conductive. Or transportive in function and need more energy. In plants, there is distinct demarcation between the dividing and non-dividing regions, while such demarcation is absent in animals. The growth in plants is limited to certain regions only, while cellular growth is uniform in animals. Because most of the plants they are fixed in soil and are non-motile except some lower plants, while most of the animals they are motile except sponges. Right, I'm asking differences between plant and animal tissues in maz. Ithe pe wucho is impat ki god wucho is yat maz plant tissues the ehand types. Godneth plant tissues gasan divide into two types. They are divided into two types on the basis of nature of cells. One is simple tissues and the other one is compound tissues. Asha impat chais god wucho simple tissues. Because we saw that these simple tissues they are formed of cells which are similar in form, structure and function. On the basis of power of division, the simple tissues kulin maz dai qismik. Ek shis wana meristematic tissues, big shis wana permanent tissues. Which ye meristematic tissues which is they are of three types. God wucho is meristematic tissue kya gai. tissues ehand cells they are thin walled, living and isodiametric. Ihund jo cell wall sah banamut cellulose. तो cells meristematic tissues cells oval या rounded या polygonal shaped. तो cells compactly arranged ताकि दरमियान intercellular spaces कहें ते. तो cells dense cytoplasm, no or few vacuoles. Their nuclei are prominent. Nuclei are prominent. These are capable of diffusion throughout life. So madat growth of the plant. These are localized in certain regions. Khas regions localized. So on the basis of their location, which is impact present meristematic tissues. They are divided into 3 types. Meristematic tissue kim jay kul kis kath hissas maz location tat pech divide karna 3 type maz. Ago apical meristem, beago intercalary meristem, and beago lateral meristem. 3 types. Yat shakli maz hoyit akh meristematic tissue. Ithai pait yus doim shakal hoyit ath maz hoyit types of meristematic primary meristematic tissue. Yani apical meristem godneth wucho es apical meristem. Yus apical meristem asan chu it lies at the apices of roots and stem branches. Beshi kara madat in the longitudinal growth of the plant. You see shoot apical meristem asan che ihu. You see whichan chu terminal in position. Acha asa pet leaf primordia. Ithai pat intercalary meristem asan chu you see atas hoy shakli maz. It lies below the bases of internodes of stem of grasses. So ishikara madat in the longitudinal growth या primary growth of plants by adding primary tissue. Ithai pach lateral meristem. Yus yatnas yat shakli maz ya ach cambium. It lies on the sides of the stem and root. Ishikara madat, it helps in the increasing the diameter and girth of the plants. Ishkara madat secondary growth maz kulkis. You see yat shakli maz hekyu wuchat. Next wucho es pat subas atmaz permanent tissues in the next class.